This is Alex. I'll be explaining question 1, problem A and B. So we're asked to find the power of the contact lens in diopters. To find the diopter, to find the power, we need to find the focal length, which is because of the power is equal to 1 over f. So in the problem, we're given that the near point is 1.2 meters. And the normal near point would be 0.25 meters, which means the person's far-sighted. So we can expect that it would be a positive value for the power. So just plug in the numbers. We can find that the power is 3.16 diopters. So in problem B, we do the same thing, except that I believe it's telling us the information that the contact lens is 15 millimeters away from the eye. So that means we only have to subtract 0.015 meters from this equation to get a new value of the power. So it would be 3.411 diopters.